Will AI replace programmers? That's a question that's been floating around in tech circles for a while now. It's a thought that has sparked countless debates, led to numerous articles, and even caused a few sleepless nights for some in the industry. The question is not just hypothetical anymore. The emergence of Devin, the AI programmer, has taken this debate to a whole new level. Devin is not just another AI. It's an AI that can program, a development that carries significant implications. This isn't about an AI that can do a few rudimentary coding tasks. No, Devin is capable of far more. It's about an AI that can create, innovate, and potentially revolutionize the way we approach programming. So the question we're left with is not just, will AI replace programmers, but what will programming look like in a world where AI can program? Today, we delve into the world of Devin, the AI programmer, and explore its potential implications on the programming landscape. In the beginning, there was a concept, an idea to design an AI that could code. This wasn't a whimsical notion, but a serious endeavor undertaken by a group of forward-thinking individuals who dared to dream big. They envisioned an AI that could not just understand code, but also write, debug, and optimize it. This was the genesis of what we now know as Devin. The early development of Devin wasn't a stroll in the park. The team faced a mountain of challenges. The first one was teaching an AI to comprehend programming languages. These languages, with their varied syntaxes and semantics, posed a formidable challenge. But through a blend of machine learning techniques and a vast database of code snippets, the team began to make headway. Another challenge was enabling Devin to write code that is not just functional, but also efficient and elegant. Coding, as any programmer will tell you, is as much an art as it is a science. The team had to ensure Devin could balance the aesthetics of code with its functionality. The breakthrough came when the team developed a unique algorithm that allowed Devin to learn from the best coding practices and patterns across countless repositories. This algorithm enabled Devin to understand the nuances of writing clean, efficient code. It was a game changer, a major leap forward in the development of Devin. But the team didn't stop there. They equipped Devin with the ability to debug and optimize code, a feature that would prove invaluable. They trained Devin on millions of lines of code, teaching it to spot errors, identify inefficiencies, and suggest improvements. This was no small feat, but the team was relentless in their pursuit of perfection, and thus Devin was born, an AI with the capability to write code, ready to be put to the test. This wasn't the end, but the beginning of a new chapter in the world of programming, a chapter that was written by Devin itself. Now, Devin wasn't just any run-of-the-mill AI. No, Devin had something special. It was as if a new breed of programmer had emerged, one that didn't need coffee breaks or sleep, one that didn't make typos or syntax errors. First and foremost, Devin's proficiency in writing code was simply astounding. It wasn't just about writing simple, basic programs. We're talking about complex, sophisticated, and efficient code. It could handle data structures, algorithms, and even machine learning models with ease. It was as if the rules of programming had been embedded into its very core. And it wasn't just about the code. Devin demonstrated a deep understanding of the logic behind the code. It could comprehend the problem that needed to be solved, and then, almost magically, it would conjure up the most efficient solution. It was like having a seasoned programmer who had absorbed the knowledge and experience of countless others. But what truly set Devin apart was its adaptability. It wasn't limited to a specific programming language. No, Devin could switch between Python, Java, C++, and countless other languages with ease. It was as if it was fluent in the universal language of programming. Moreover, the types of programming tasks that Devin could handle were diverse. From designing databases and developing web applications to creating game engines and programming autonomous vehicles, there was hardly a task that Devin couldn't handle. It was like having an entire team of specialized programmers packed into a single entity. And let's not forget about speed. Devin could write code at a pace that would leave even the most seasoned programmers in awe. Days of work could be completed in mere hours, and complex problems could be solved in the blink of an eye. With these capabilities, Devin seemed poised to revolutionize the world of programming. But was it all too good to be true? Could this AI truly eliminate the need for human programmers? Well, stick around and let's dive deeper into the implications of Devin's remarkable capabilities. But how does Devin fare in real-world scenarios? Let's dive into some instances that show Devin in action. One of the most remarkable tasks Devin has accomplished is automating the process of data cleaning and pre-processing in a major tech company. Instead of days spent by an entire team, Devin was able to accomplish this task in mere hours. Not only was it quicker, but the accuracy was also spot on, reducing the margin of human error significantly. In another instance, Devin was put to the test in creating a recommendation algorithm for a leading e-commerce platform. The task was complex and would typically take a team of seasoned programmers weeks to accomplish, but Devin was able to deliver a working model in less than 24 hours. And here's the kicker. The algorithm improved the platform's sales by a whopping 20% in the first quarter alone. Devin's efficiency and accuracy are undeniably impressive. It can complete tasks in a fraction of the time it would take a human, and its work is almost always error-free. But it's also important to discuss its limitations. While Devin can learn and adapt to a certain extent, it can't completely replace the innovation and creativity that human programmers bring to the table. For instance, when tasked with creating a unique user interface for a new app, Devin struggled. It was able to produce a functional design, but it lacked the innovative and user-friendly touches a human designer would have added. There are also ethical considerations to keep in mind. Devin is only as good as the data it's trained on, and if that data is biased, the results can be too. This is an area where human oversight and judgment are still crucial. As we can see, Devin's performance is impressive, but it's not without its limitations. So what does Devin's existence mean for programmers? Well, the advent of Devin, the AI programmer, has certainly stirred up quite a bit of discussion, particularly regarding the potential impact on the job market. It's no secret that AI and automation have been steadily reshaping numerous industries, and programming is no exception. Devin could potentially automate a lot of routine coding tasks, reducing the need for human programmers in some areas. But before we all start believing that doomsday is upon us, let's consider the areas where human programmers still excel. Creativity, for one, is a domain where humans undeniably hold the upper hand. While Devin can replicate patterns and follow instructions, the creation of something entirely new, the spark of originality, is still exclusively a human trait. Likewise, the understanding and empathy necessary to design user-friendly software is something that, as of now, only humans can provide. Moreover, problem-solving in programming often requires a deep understanding of the problem's context, something that AI, including Devin, has yet to master. For instance, a human programmer can understand the nuances of a client's specific needs and tailor solutions accordingly, a flexibility that AI does not yet possess. So instead of viewing Devin as a threat, we could see it as an opportunity for collaboration. AI programmers could handle the more mundane parts of coding, freeing up human programmers to focus on the more creative and complex aspects of software development. This symbiotic relationship could lead to more efficient work processes, higher quality software, and even new avenues in programming that we have yet to explore. In a nutshell, while AI programmers like Devin can certainly perform certain tasks more efficiently than humans, they are not replacements for human programmers. Instead, they are tools that can help us do our jobs better. While Devin represents a significant development in AI technology, it does not spell the end for human programmers. So, will AI replace programmers? The answer is not as clear-cut as one might think. We've traversed the birth and capabilities of Devin, the AI programmer, and seen it in action. Its potential to streamline coding processes is undeniably impressive. However, it's crucial to remember that Devin is not a replacement, but a tool, a powerful one at that. The implications for programmers are not of redundancy, but of change. As Devin automates certain elements of coding, programmers can focus more on complex problem-solving, strategic planning, and creative innovation, elements that AI has yet to master. Looking to the future, we can envision a symbiotic relationship between human programmers and AI programmers, a future where AI handles the tedious and repetitive tasks, leaving human programmers to push the boundaries of what's possible in the field. In the end, AI programmers like Devin are tools, powerful, yes, but they don't eliminate the need for human creativity and innovation in programming. Instead, they open up new possibilities for collaboration and advancement.